season is officially here and this Exceeding Joy Journal Planner for Moms template is now on sale. Alam namin maraming mommies, stay-at-home at homeschooling moms ang naghahanap ng breakthrough product. Kaya we're opening our planner bundle sale. Last year, ito rin ang naging turning point ng maraming students ng Papers to Profits. Yung iba, dito unang kumita, nakabenta online at unti-unting na-pursue ang dream nila na magkaroon ng kumikita habang nasa bahay journey. You'll get hindi lang isa, pero 3 amazing planner templates. Exceeding Joy Journal Planner for Moms, Daily Planner, Celebrating Gratitude Journal Planner for Kids. Plus, may ready-to-print files ito, marketing assets, mga photos, at ready-to-post na mga captions. At may kasama din itong online live class para turuan kita step by step kung paano ito gawin. Sulit talaga kasi negosyo starter pack na ito ha. Once we reach 1,000 buyers, close na ang sale. Kaya mag-comment ka na ng planner below and we'll send you the link to grab yours.